Yeah man, welcome to Jamaica. The sun has shine so bright and clear. Island Max showing the beauty right here. The white sand beaches, the water so blue. Come feel the
on the right, we go to Cliff Hotel. Lovely gift items there on the left. Here on the right.
Above Island Max showcase in Jamaica. Island Max
Café.
showcase in Jamaica.
Today we're in NEGRIL Jamaica, and this is Island Max. Thank you so much for tuning in. The beautiful tourist town of NEGRIL. Going right around this roundabout here, and we're going on to the famous, the world famous West End, NEGRIL West End. Again, let me know who's watching this video and where you're watching from. That's what we do here. Welcome. We show you the beauty of Jamaica, one location at a time. There is a Scotia Bank outlet on the left. Persons in line to use the ATM. There's a Timu fashion store on the left. Yes, 876 Timu Fashions. But we're gonna travel along this beautiful coast. Look at the locals just hanging out, having a drink, enjoying themselves. I'm gonna show you what the rest of West End looks like. We're officially on the West End Strip. I'm gonna take our time and we're gonna see, and I hope you get to see some of the famous spots that you like staying at or dining at here on NEGRIL's West End, here in beautiful Jamaica. Alright, so Sunshine Village residences, shops, and food court is on the left here. And they painted a lovely mural here saying West End. All of this painting you're seeing on the wall here on the left, it reads, "Welcome to West End NEGRIL." This is it, man. It's like you're in an oasis here on the coast. Beautiful with the trees. It's tourists traveling on the bikes to and from. The NEGRIL branch library is on the left, and the primary school is also here on the left. Bikes, you can get bikes and bicycles for rent or to repair. You can get them repaired there as well. You can get your curry goat, oxtail, jerk chicken at Vinny's Bar and Grill. Just lovely. Car wash on the left. Sea View House Chinese restaurant is here as well. This is what coastal living here on NEGRIL looks like. Love how it's just laid back. That's what I was saying to my subscribers. It's just laid back and nice. You can just enjoy. If you come to rest and just enjoy the beach, 7 Mile stretch of beach. Travel along West End, you know, go to different places like Rick's Café. This is the spot to be, man. NEGRIL. We love it. Again, Dream Weekend has moved from NEGRIL to Montego Bay. Chicken Lavish restaurant is here. We can get your jerk chicken to buy. Sandra's place is on the right. Taxi man out to run me off the road there a while ago. Villa Lacage Resorts on the right, on the left. You can turn in there. Ocean Cliff Hotel NEGRIL on the right. Lovely sign there. shades of summer rooms now available in this spot here. I like how it gives a nice community vibe. Yeah, I like the community vibe here on the coast. New Moon Cottage, big up New Moon Cottage and the rooms. Some real iconic place, shady rest cottages on the left. Paradise on the rocks here as well. Notice some of the cables are still down. A lot of the cable wires are still down. Briggs Lane is on the left. What about Bigona Cliff? Bigona Cliff is right here on the right. Bigona Cliff Hotel. Big up Pee Wee's restaurant as well. My Father Place restaurant is here. And look how the time is changing, man. Wow. From a little cottage in NEGRIL. This was what the song is written about. Samsara, another iconic place. Samsara is right here as well. You have so many options, man. Palm Grove Sunday School. You can come here for your honeymoon. Lovely spot. You can just relax on the beach. So the guests just chilling, man. Just enjoying the stretch here. Big up Kaiser's Sunset Hotel. Della De Rose, big up yourself as well. Whole heap of iconic spots. How do I pronounce that? X-Tabby? Tree Dives Jerk Center on the right. Takes you on the 3 dives to fall in love. What else could the 3 dives stand for? I would love to know the origin of that name, 3 dives. This is NEGRIL West End. Joseph's Cave is on the left. Oh, they have NEGRIL pushcart here. Just beautiful. When next are you coming to NEGRIL? Let me know in the comment section. Lovely gift items there on the left. The bamboo and the palm and the coconut. Beautiful. Cali Cottages on the left. Seeds on the Rocks on the right. Guys, when you're building signs, man, your signs must be big and visible. Yeah, so that persons, as they see it, easily recognize it. I'm seeing some signs where you have to strain to look at them. Poor sign design. But it's beautiful, NEGRIL. Donette, Wagwan. Can get a nice knitted items at Donet's place on West End. There's a fitness center here, Belladonna restaurant, supermarkets here, little bars as well. NEGRIL Escape Resort is on the right. Josephine Villa on the left. Le Mirage Boutique on the right. See them collecting garbage. I wonder if it's private. Yes, seems to be private garbage collection. National Maintenance Services. The Lodge Restaurant on the right. Yeah man, NEGRIL is the perfect place for you to you know, enjoy your honeymoon. Lovely, and straight ahead is Rick's Cafe coming up. Rick's Cafe is right here on the right. Rick's Cafe, yeah man. I wonder if I can head over there and see what's going on. So this is Rick's Cafe over here. Lovely location. And as we pass Rick's Cafe, we reach this section. It's a long stretch, the NEGRIL West End. Or you can get your laced cookies, let me put it that way. You can get your cookies there. NEGRIL West End. So Rick's Cafe is really the hot spot on NEGRIL West End. The Caves is on the right. The Sands on the right. and lighthouse in village on the left. Beautiful. Sign says no dumping in this area. It's Murphy's West End restaurant on the left. A lot of the restaurants I noticed they do done to order. Their food is done to order because they don't have that high volume. I'm talking places like the West End. Yeah, I stopped at a restaurant once on the West End and they said that food, everything was done to order. If you want, I mean, this is some more relaxed. You're not in a rush. NEGRIL is the place to be. You see, if you want your food now, you're gonna go to a next excursion. You wanna move along and enjoy. If you're fast paced, Montego Bay is the place to be. All right. So if we continued further down, that would have carried us to West Ender Inn, NEGRIL Jamaica, High Life, all of the nice places. But we're gonna make a U-turn here on NEGRIL's West End. Grocery and bar on the left, on the right, sorry. You can see the damage to some of the buildings here from hurricane. So if West Enders is your spot, let me know. If Rick's Café is your spot, let me know as well. The caves on the left there. Squeezing through. Café is on the left there. We're going back into the town center of NEGRIL. Remember, this is NEGRIL West End. Get a little drizzle later. Le Mirage Boutique Hotel on the left. Oh, you can get magical mushrooms here as well. Sun is coming back out, lovely. It's a lovely afternoon. Lovely afternoon here on the West End. We saw them cliff diving in Rick's Café. Trust me, a lot of things to do. It's not just dining, it's all about fun. You can do dancing as well. Rick's Café, man, is the spot to be. Once you come to Rick's Café, once you come to West End, you have to stop at Rick's Café. Rock House is on the left. Rock House Hotel. It's a hotel and spa. You can get straw hats to buy here as well. The parking lot for Rock House is on the right. Bird Nest Cottage on the right. Tanya's Secret Escape Spa on the left. 3 dives on the left as well. That's a Tabby on the Cliffs. Palm Grove, what's that? Sunday School? That's what I'm seeing. Samsara is on the left. Bigona Cliff Hotel is on the left. Beautiful, man. Lovely afternoon here. Can just imagine how Rick's Café light up at nights. Paradise on the rocks on the right. Shady Rest cottages, New Moon cottages, all on the right. Village, Ocean Cliff Hotel on the left. So if you want to have a swim further down the road on the left is where you can stop and have a swim. You can have a swim right here too, on the left. But if you want a proper place to park, you can go further down. Beautiful, lovely drive here along the coast. Westmoreland's coast. I was telling you, right here is where you can park. Let me park and show you the view. Right here on the left. And the beach is there on the left. Across from Slutty Taco. Outside Cano Bar. The beach is right here. This is where you can come and have a swim. Lovely. Even the dog is relaxing. Listen, my man. Even the dog is finding a spot to relax. Nice sea grapes here. Alright, Bruno. Yeah, man. Lovely spot. You can come and have a swim right here. The last time we were here, somebody fell asleep under that tree. He is just beautiful. Make your way to NEGRIL Jamaica. Beautiful. Alright, that was the beach there. NEGRIL Research Center is on the right. A research center, Another spot is here, right here on the left to swim as well. So as you can see, it's more laid back than Montego Bay. But it's a beautiful location. NEGRIL Primary on the right. We're close, getting closer to the town center of NEGRIL. The rain is drizzling a bit. So this is Church Road. I'm seeing the Church Road sign. You have Western Union, Bill Express. There's a Cambio here. Again, there's a Burger King here. You're not far from your amenities. It's good if you could rent a car for you and your family. Or if you want to hop from town to town, it's good to have your own vehicle. Beautiful pier there. Lovely. And now we're back into NEGRIL's town center. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Island Max. We're showing you the beauty of Jamaica, one location at a time. Tap on the video you're now seeing on your screen. One love.